I was also very pleased to be part of the inauguration of the Financial Literacy Week and to also digitally launch very important posters, digital posters that will be disseminated across the length and breadth of the state and will be circulated so as to acquaint and to educate the public at large on the importance of the KYC. The theme this year, which is Know your first step to safe banking, KYC, your first step to safe banking, with the themes of the basics of Know Your Customer, as well as the Central KYC registry, the CKYC, which is an important tool for building and for ensuring that there is proper account hygiene as well as discipline. Today we live in an age in the midst of many digital frauds. We've heard of the digital arrests, we've heard of phishing, we've heard of many crimes that are taking place in the financial world. So in this context, the financial literacy is not only optional, but it is essential for citizens' protection, for inclusive growth, as well as to provide stability for the financial system. And at the very foundation, at the building block of safe banking is the KYC, or Know Your Customer. It is often viewed as a regulatory formality. Often when we get messages on our phones that you will have to update your KYC, the citizens find it burdensome that again they have to provide details of their information, and it is taken as a kind of a disturbance. But in reality, it is a very important tool. I would say not only important but critical towards protecting citizens from fraud, from identity misuse and service disruption. More so in this age now where we have many kinds of frauds that are taking place in the cyber world. We have AI. AI can be a tool, but it is a double-edged tool. It can be a sword, but it can also be something that protects you, but it can be something that harms you as well. So in this context, KYC assumes maximum importance. An updated KYC ensures uninterrupted access to bank accounts, credit facilities, digital payments, as well as government benefits. We live in an era where maximum government schemes now are DBT, direct benefit transfer. So it's very important that these benefits of the various multiple schemes that are available in the state as well as in the central government go to the right people, and it goes to the deserving beneficiaries. Therefore, we should not see KYC as a burden, but first and foremost as a safeguard for the customer.